take control of that game.
Libre sana si Cyrus ni Celar. Hindi
Right.
na
After game 1, wala na yung Kalawang. But all the teams in the series that in against best of 7 ang nananalo sa game 1 have won about 66% of the time.
I-review pa yan ng mga referee, no? Bago maging official. Here comes Paul Artadi. And Chris Alexander. Pang Barangay Ginebra. Thank you. Cyrus Baguio against Chris Bacana. Sumaksak sa loob. Wow! Pero problema pala. Wow! Another!
They've been missing a lot.
Yeah. Ito naman mga kaibigan, yung pangalawang Yakult Slam Dunk. Yakult.
Alam niya, nandun si Chris Alexander.
Speaking of Chris Alexander, stepping in.
Most of their guys are starting to get back in shape. One of the guys, ito nga si Rafi Ritos.
And Chris Alexander displaying awesome form on the Yakult. Ang dami ng nalulok na bola ng mga taga-Red Bull. Una si Alexander, pumalpal. Ito, palawarin natin. Pinalpal ni Alexander. At ito yung kanina, no ha? Ito, yung sumunod na palpalan. Adam Parada, Billy Mamaril. Ang sutong makabalik. Ayaw na naman, si Alexander, pinalpal na naman. Adam Parada, pinalpal din ni Billy Mamaril.
Iniinom naman palood.
Pinululok. Junti's pass is broken up by Parada. Giorgio Duncil against JJ. Chris Alexander on the trail with another shot block.
What a job not to give up on that play para kay Chris Alexander.
Kaya sinasabihin ko, yung mga paikot-ikot sa ring, lumalabas sa
tumutuloy-tuloy dito sa third quarter.
Nung first quarter, halos walang maipasok sila galing sa labas eh. Chris Bacana to Alexander. Foul.
And if you can find an open guy that happens to be 7 feet, that close to the basket, magandang nagiging resulta dyan.
Binigay kay Alexander. And Junti Valenzuela sumaksak sa loob. Pinabot kay Rafi Rivas at Kunik. Ang Mobiglia.